Hey y'all, I'm back with another Genshin Impact recipe, except this time, it's not really from the game. KFC China and MiHoYo announced a collaboration where limited edition items would be sold at KFC, showcasing Diluc and Noelle from Genshin. Unfortunately, this event did get cancelled due to safety concerns, but that isn't gonna stop me. Today, I will be attempting to recreate the items seen in Diluc's bucket image. Based off what we can see, it's a chicken sandwich, a few pieces of fried chicken, red bean pie, and Pepsi. I've made plenty of fried chicken in the past, but I've never tried to do it like KFC, so this will be a first for me. Check out the written recipe on Whisk, and check out my Twitch and other socials all down below in the description. Without further ado, let's get started. The first step is to wet brine the chicken. Begin with milk and heavy cream in a large bowl, season with a hot sauce of your choice. I'm just using some Tabasco sauce. Whisk thoroughly and then submerge the chicken into the brine. Make sure that the chicken gets fully coated and as much of it is submerged underneath the brine. Cover and let it go for 24 hours. For the dry ingredients, I'm not sure if I'm allowed to just outright say what's in the KFC 11 herbs and spices, but there are a lot of sources on the internet and I just followed what I saw. Begin with all-purpose flour, the alleged 11 herbs and spices, and MSG. The only thing I didn't really agree with was the amount of paprika that was specified, but we'll soon see why I didn't agree with it. Give it a quick whisk to combine, coat the chicken in the flour, shake off the excess, and then bring it over to the heated oil. You want the oil to be around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For the chicken thigh pieces, deep fry for a total of 12 minutes, 6 minutes on each side. For the chicken wings, deep fry for a total of 10 minutes, 5 minutes on each side. Going back to the paprika situation, I noticed that the amount specified turned my batter super red and in turn started to burn in the oil and discolor my chicken. It ended up a lot darker than regular KFC, but I'll just have to roll with it. Place them on a paper towel or rack to drain as much oil off, and then we can move on to the next part of the bucket. Moving on to the red bean pies, cut the puff pastry into rectangular shapes, add a spoonful of the red bean paste. I just have some pre-made store-bought red bean mixture, it's actually really good. Fold the puff pastry over the red beans and then crimp the edges to seal it together. Now there are two ways to cook this. Fast food restaurants used to deep fry these, but no longer do due to health concerns. Most nowadays bake them. Today, I'm just gonna bake them. Brush the pastries with milk and then bake in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. The fried chicken sandwich is pretty simple. For the sauce, I mix Kewpie mayonnaise, sriracha, and honey together to create a sweet, spicy, creamy sauce that I think will go really well with the fried chicken. Quickly toast the buns in some butter for that extra flavor, and then it's time for assembly. Bottom bun, a layer of shredded cheddar cheese. Optional, but I really like cheese. Then the fried chicken thigh, leafy lettuce, and finally slather the sweet and spicy mayo on the top bun and then place over the rest. And now altogether we have fried chicken wings, a fried chicken sandwich, and red bean pie, the components of Diluc's bucket from KFC China. Pair it with a soda of your choice and enjoy. Make sure to check out my Twitch streams where I made this live. Almost all the recipes that you see here on YouTube, I make on Twitch first. I am a little more chaotic over there though, so there's your warning. Thank you so much for watching, I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share with anyone who loves KFC, Genshin, or just food in general. I'll see y'all in the next one.